Monday. I'm the investigator of the case regarding the case of examination in Naranda that happened on or about 10 a.m. in the morning of CCJ Cavite State University Canteen. She allegedly committed a crime theft, and upon viewing the background information of the person, she has obtained record. Is the report.
So good day, Ms. Stephanie Shane Miranda. Upon this polygraph examination, you have the right to discontinue, you have the right to refuse, and also you have the right to not disclose the results of the polygraph examinations that we will conduct today. So as a proof, you have to sign the waiver. And once you sign the waiver, you have a consent na you are allowing us to examine. Thank you, ma'am. So good afternoon po, ma'am. I am your polygraph examiner po, and I am Anne Fernandez. So right now po, gusto ko lang po muna tanggalin po muna natin yung mga accessories po natin para hindi po siya makasagabal sa gagawin po natin na test. Yung belt po, as well as po yung relo. Sige po. So ma'am, ngayon po, ito po yung mga gagamitin po natin ngayon sa inyo, and ito naman po mga materials na to is hindi naman po ito makakasagabal po dun sa mga katawan po ninyo. Ito po yung number 1. So ma'am, makalang mo po pataas po ng kamay para po ikapin po natin. So, ngayon naman po, after po natin maikabit sa inyong buwan, kayo nyo po naman po tayo, and ilalagay po natin dito sa may abdomen niya po. So, magkano po pong malaman kung saan po yung non-dominant hand po dito? Diyan po natin ikakabit yung finger. So, ngayon naman po, isang ikakabit ko naman po sa inyo is yung arm cuff. po ako mga ilang katanungan dito and kailangan nyo lang din sumagot ng yes or no. So, start na po tayo. So, is your name Stephanie Shane Miranda? Yes. Is today is Wednesday? Yes.
Are you aware that a mobile phone was stolen from Mr. Abweb?
No.
Have you ever lied when answering any of my questions?
No.
Between the age of 13 to 18, did you steal anything from your parents?
No.
Did you take the missing mobile phone of Mr. Abweb's bag?
No.
Have you ever told a lie?
No.
Were you present at the school canteen when the theft occurred?
Yes.
Once again, is your name is Stephanie Shane Miranda?
Yes.
Have you ever taken anything that wasn't really yours?
No.
On June 22, 2024, did you take the mobile phone of Mr. Abweg's bag?
No.
So, our polygraph examination is done na, and makakaasag po kayo ng all informations po na sinagot nyo in this polygraph examination is confidential. Sasabi ka ba ng totoo?
Sabi po ako ng totoo.
Eh kung nagsasabi ka ng totoo, sino yung nakita namin sa CCTV?
Si Poyo.
Ano hindi? May CCTV na nga nasa CCTV kahit Stephanie Shane Miranda.
Kami po